Yo, what's up guys, and today I'm joined by Jonathan, aka the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency master.
What's up, guys? It's Crypto Johnny here, or Johnny5. Happy to be sharing some knowledge with you guys today.
Basically, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So, Johnny, I will actually have to ask you a question. What makes crypto so special? Because it's a form of money. And what makes it different from the money we're using right now? And why should we actually care about crypto?
In the most simplest of terms, it's digital currency. And the reason why it's actually usable and it has a future, in my opinion, is because most of the cryptocurrency market is decentralized. And it's giving people control of their money again, where you can actually become your own bank. And obviously, for anyone that understands how the banking system works, where if you're holding money in your bank, the banks are actually making money off of your money.
And you're losing.
Yeah, in the foreign exchange markets. And you're making like 0.0001% a year.
It's pretty much like a scam.
Basically, they're just making bank off of your money, and it's like, to me, that's not right. And, still a lot of people don't even know about that. But with cryptocurrency, you actually own all of your coins. You own your private keys, which is, if you have a private key, you can think of it as your bank. You're the only person that has control of that and has access to that. So that's one key characteristic of crypto. And the fact of the matter is, in my opinion, the US dollar, in my case, will crash eventually. And I believe cryptocurrency will become the world currency, whether that's Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or a whole catalog of coins that are used in the world. That's where I see the future going. And then we start to get into blockchain technology, which is what cryptocurrencies are running off of. That's how they're distributed. And blockchain technology, 100%, it's already being used in some companies. And it's just it's a distributed ledger. And it literally can cut out governments, and we could be playing in the middle of it. Like with blockchain technology, it has the power to cut out governments, and we no longer have to, answer to them in a sense, because blockchain actually allows everyone and everything to be 100% transparent. Because say that a bank is using a blockchain, well, then you're going to see every single transaction that goes through the blockchain. And literally there's no room for fraud, or the bank can't do anything sketchy, because anyone can go on it. It's public. You can look at every transaction. You can look at everything that's done on there. And those three things are, in my opinion, why cryptocurrency is so special and why it does have a future.
I think I've read is about cryptocurrencies, they have super small transaction fees.
Yeah, for
in the blockchain itself. But if you want to buy Bitcoin right now, you'll have to pay a pretty hefty a pretty hefty percentage of your money for the bank, because this is what the bank was doing. They're smart. They want to make money, and they do.
Yeah, there's a lot of new implementations coming into the blockchain, and a lot of new ICOs, a lot of new companies, like creating things that are environmental and cost friendly, And I think that's what a lot of people want to see, moving forward into the future. Why should we have slow transactions or have to pay these huge fees every time we want to transfer money,
But the thing I am a little bit scared about, and guys, sorry, we're gonna get into the segment of how to earn money of crypto soon. But the thing I'm scared about, you told me that government's gonna be cut out of pretty much the equation. But government always wants to be in control.
Right.
And they don't want cryptocurrency to take over. So it's a pretty scary thing that government would ban cryptocurrency. And what do you think about it? Like, let's say, for example, if USA just right now, if USA would like ban crypto, what would happen?
In my opinion, I don't believe they're going to completely ban it. Obviously, there's a lot of FUD in the market right now. There's a lot of bad news, or Korea banning this. At the end of the day, like you said, the U.S. wants to get their piece of the pie. They want to get their hands in there and profit off of everyone that is making all this money in cryptocurrency.
That's true.
At the end of the day, I truly believe that the government can say, like, hey, we're banning crypto. No one can do it. And if you get caught doing it, then you're going to get locked up, or, whatever the whatever the punishment for that would be. But at the end of the day, they cannot shut down blockchain. Like, no one person owns blockchain or runs it. It's out there. It's on, on the web. It's on the network. No one can shut it down. No one can run it or, tap into it and change what is on the blockchain. So that's why it has that power, and that's why we are saying that the government is potentially scared of it. But it can also be a good thing if they actually implement it in their own way, because then everything would be 100% transparent if the government is using it, and there would be no room for fraud and corruption.
So now, guys, let's talk about how to make money off crypto. And before